It's Mummy Truck and Baby Truck. Why are you waiting out here? The tunnel's blocked and you can't get through? I'd better take a look. Whoa! There's been a cave-in. Another cave-in! We're trapped inside. Don't worry, I've got my toolkit. We're going to need a bigger toolkit. Not even Tilly's strong enough to move the rock. How are we going to get out? I didn't know you were so strong! Mummy Truck saved the day! I'd better call Eric the excavator to clear away all these rocks. See you all soon for more fun and adventure at Gecko's garage. That's right, Mechanicals. Let's get the garage nice and clean. Oh, sounds like we've got a customer. It's the Truck family. Mummy Truck, Mama Recycle, and Baby Truck, who doesn't look very happy. A wobbly tooth? That's nothing to worry about, Baby Truck. When it falls out, you can place it under your pillow and you get a gold coin. Oh no! Baby Truck sneezed her wobbly tooth away. Oh, don't worry, we'll find it. Go, go, Mechanicals! Ugh, yuck! Sorry, Green. That's not a tooth. Oh, yeah. Oh, whoa! Watch it, Yellow! Oh, we've searched the whole garage and there's no sign of Baby Truck's tooth anywhere. Oh. Just a minute. There's one place we haven't looked. In Blue's feather duster. Aha! Here you go, Baby Truck. Now get home and put it under your pillow. And we'll see you soon for more exciting adventures at Gecko's garage. Bye!
Achoo! Oh, hello everyone. We've given Miles a super service and all-terrain tyres.
My darling Miles deserves the best. We've been friends for so long. I'd be lost without him.
Well, Grandma, I have a special gadget that means you'll never be lost, with or without Miles. It's called a GPS.
A BP what now?
This device uses satellites to show you and others your location and guides you wherever you want to go.
Fascinating. Yeah. Tell me more when I get back. Miles and I are going for a little spin.
Bye then.
Nothing nothing like the open road, eh, Miles? What do you say? We test these tyres off-road. Yahoo! Yeah! Perfect end to a perfect ride. Come on, old pal. It's home time. Oh, we're out of fuel. Oh, not to worry. Gecko will help us out. Oh, but he doesn't know where we are. Oh, yes, Miles. The doodah whatchamacallit will help him find us. Woo! Attach it to your handlebars, you say? Gotcha! Then the tool I need is a screwdriver. Gecko's garage, time to fix! Tighten these screws, and it's secure. Now, to turn it on... Ta-da!
Where's Grandma? It's almost dark. Miles and Grandma have activated the GPS. They might be in trouble. Come on, Red. Let's follow their signal.
I'll build us a nice cosy shelter while we wait for Gecko to find us. Oh! Look, Miles. Aliens. Oh, no, it's Gecko.
Grandma! Miles! What happened? Are you okay?
Rookie mistake. We ran out of fuel.
At least the GPS worked, though. Perhaps you could use it to guide us home. I saved the garage on there for you. Just press this button.
Oh, yes! How clever! It says that way to the garage.
But the garage is that way.
Not according to your fancy gizmo.
Grandma, you fitted the GPS upside down.
Oh, you cheeky boy.
Goodbye, everyone.
Hello, everyone. The Mechanicals are having a play date with Barry and Carrie. Oops! Are you both okay? Barry and Carrie have dented their bumpers.
That was quite some boo-boo.
Oh, don't worry, you two. We'll soon get you both mended.
But you can only fix one bus at a time, Gecko. Why don't I repair Barry's bumper? Remember, every job is quickly done, so Weasel's Wheels is number one.
Are you sure, Barry? Well, OK then. I'll get to work on Carrie. Good luck, Barry.
Luck? Oh, you want to make it a competition? Sure. Whoever does the best job is the winner. Ready? Go!
How do you like your new bumper, Carrie?
You call that a bumper? Check this out!
Wow! Well done, Mr. Weasel. Barry's bumper is actually really cool.
I'm the winner! I'm the best!
This bumper's been glued on.
Yes! But it looked good.
It did. Hey, let's fix Barry together and make a bumper for Carrie.
Really? I mean, sure, I suppose.
What tools do we need?
Huh?
Drill! Polish! Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. OK, Mr. Weasel. To fix the bumper on right, use a drill to fasten the bolts tight. It's most important to be safe when bumping, but you can also be safe when the party is pumping. That's right, Mr. Weasel. A quick buff to shine. Fixing together has worked out just fine.
How about a dancing competition then? I'm sure to win that.
You're wrong! Goodbye, everyone. Hello, everyone. Today is Hero Day. Blue's hero is Captain Spanner.
Oh, even heroes need help sometimes. Oh,
We've been dressing Vicky as her hero, Fiona Firetrap.
Why wait, Trevor? Faster is better. Every job is quickly done, so Weasel's Wheels is number one. Who's your hero? I suppose it's me. Turbo Tractor? Oh, yes, Turbo Tractor. I can make that happen. Easy.
Awesome work, team. Fiona looks just like her hero, Vicky the ice cream truck.
only Trevor left to go, Gecko. Then it's time for the Hero Day party.
Spinning screwdrivers! Someone's tried to turbocharge Trevor.
Turbo Bodge, more like.
I can't work with that rust bucket. If you break, don't come back to me. Ah! Ah!
Well, I never, Trevor. Don't worry, dear. We'll undo that weasel's worthless work.
Pick up your tools and say this rhyme. At Gecko's garage, it's fixing time. Let's replace this turbocharger with something new and even larger. Weasel's work was incomplete. An intercooler will cool the heat.
A chrome exhaust for the X-Factor makes Trevor look like Turbo Tractor.
The party's about to start. And I know who my hero is. You're the best mechanic ever, Grandma. And the best Grandma. You're my hero.
Thank you, Gecko. And you're mine. Because you make everyone feel like a hero.
Oh, thanks, Grandma. Bye, everyone.
Hello, everyone. We're waiting for the guests to arrive for Tilly's birthday party. But shh, it's a surprise. Not yet, Blue. Hi, Dandy. Are you all on your way?
Gecko! Bobby's steering has broken!
And now he's blocking the road for the other party guests.
Don't worry. We'll collect Bobby, but everyone else must hide from Tilly. See you soon. Bobby needs our help.
How can we hide all of us and all these balloons from Tilly? Oh, I'm floating! I know! We need to inflate more balloons! Hurry!
There's Bobby. Just Bobby on his own. Hi, Bobby. Let's get you towed back to the garage, eh?
Psst! Gecko! Look up!
Nuts and bolts! Ready to roll! But we'd best take it slowly. fix Bobby. Can you help the mechs organise the surprise for Tilly, please, pal?
Got it, Gecko! Oh, shh. Got it, Gecko!
Aha! I see the problem, Bobby. You've lost a bolt in your steering column. So I'll fit a new one. The tool I need is a wrench. Gecko's garage, time to fix! Righty-tighty. There, all ready for the party. I mean parking! All ready for parking.
Ready, Gecko?
Surprise! Happy birthday, Tilly! I'm surprised we kept the party a surprise. Goodbye, everyone.